The Amazfit Active 2 just hit the market with sleek aesthetics and impressive health features. Meanwhile, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is heavily rumoured to bring premium features and rugged durability. In this video, we will explore how the Amazfit Active 2 and the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro stack up against each other in design, features, and performance. Let's get started. The Amazfit Active 2 sports a minimalist yet modern design that appeals to users seeking both functionality and style. It features an aluminum alloy casing, making it lightweight and comfortable to wear throughout the day. The watch is available in a single 44mm size, which is relatively versatile and suits various wrist sizes. Its smooth, rounded edges and sleek aesthetic make it appropriate for both casual and fitness-focused users. Furthermore, the watch comes with interchangeable straps, providing customization options for users who prefer a different style or material. On the other hand, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, according to rumors, will likely maintain the rugged and sophisticated look that has become a signature of the Fenix series. Expected to be released in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm, the Fenix 8 Pro aims to cater to a broader audience, especially those who prefer a larger, more prominent smartwatch. The watch is speculated to be built with premium materials such as titanium and stainless steel, which not only enhances durability, but also provides a premium feel. Its robust build is designed to withstand extreme outdoor conditions. The Amazfit Active 2 boasts a 1.32-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, ensuring vibrant and crisp visuals. The high-resolution display enhances readability, making it easier to view notifications, workout metrics, and other features, even in bright daylight. Moreover, the screen supports always-on display functionality, allowing users to check essential information without having to activate the display actively. Conversely, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to be taking a significant leap in display technology by offering a micro-LED option. If true, this would be an upgrade from the MIP displays commonly found in previous Garmin watches. Micro-LED technology promises better brightness, deeper blacks, and enhanced power efficiency. Additionally, the display size is expected to be around 1.4 inches, similar to the Fenix 8, with better resolution for sharper maps and activity metrics. The Pro model may also incorporate touchscreen functionality for smoother navigation, although Garmin will likely retain its reliable button interface for rugged outdoor use. The Amazfit Active 2 comes equipped with the Zepp OS 3.0, which is optimized for smoother performance and enhanced user experience. The watch offers Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, ensuring stable connections with smartphones and other devices. It also includes free offline maps with GPS turn-by-turn directions, providing accurate route tracking and location services. With a water resistance rating of 5 ATM, the Active 2 can withstand splashes, rain, and swimming without any issues. Meanwhile, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to feature an upgraded processor aimed at delivering improved performance and responsiveness. Garmin might enhance internal storage capacity beyond the standard 32 GB, providing more space for maps, music, and apps. Connectivity options are expected to include Bluetooth 5.2, Ant Plus, and Wi-Fi, along with NFC support for contactless payments. The watch is likely to feature multi-band GNSS for improved GPS accuracy, making it an excellent choice for hikers, cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts who require precise navigation. The Amazfit Active 2 offers a comprehensive suite of health monitoring features. It includes heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, sleep tracking, and stress measurement. Additionally, the device provides metrics for training load, recovery, and VO2 max, making it a well-rounded option for fitness tracking. The watch is also equipped with bio-tracking optical sensors that enhance the accuracy of health data collection. On the other hand, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is expected to build upon the health features of the Fenix 8, which already includes advanced heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, sleep analysis, and stress tracking. There are speculations that Garmin may introduce new health metrics, potentially including blood pressure monitoring. Enhanced sleep tracking and recovery time recommendations could also be part of the improved health monitoring experience, making the Fenix 8 Pro a comprehensive health tracking device. The Amazfit Active 2 comes with a variety of smart features, such as notifications, weather updates, music control, and an extensive collection of sports modes. The Zepp OS 3.0 also provides a smoother interface and better integration with third-party applications. With an improved battery life of up to 10 days on a single charge, the Active 2 offers convenience for users who prefer not to charge their device frequently. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, however, is expected to outshine the Active 2 in terms of premium features. Garmin may introduce a more advanced LED flashlight, enhanced strength training capabilities, and improved third-party app support. Enhanced mapping and navigation features, combined with better weather prediction functionalities, would likely make the Fenix 8 Pro a superior choice for outdoor explorers. The Amazfit Active 2 delivers smooth performance thanks to its optimized Zepp OS 3.0 and efficient processor. It handles daily activities, fitness tracking, and notifications effectively without noticeable lag. The battery life is also impressive, providing 2 weeks of usage, which is ideal for most users. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, if rumors hold true, would take performance to the next level with an upgraded processor and improved software optimization. The new chipset would likely enhance overall responsiveness and processing speed, particularly when using resource-intensive applications like GPS and mapping. The Amazfit Active 2 is priced competitively at around $100, making it an attractive option for those seeking a capable smartwatch without breaking the bank. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, on the other hand, is expected to be a high-end device with a price tag starting well above $1,000. With a rumored launch date in mid to late 2025, the Fenix 8 Pro may be worth the wait for users seeking a premium smartwatch experience. Ultimately, your decision should depend on your budget, desired features, and intended use. If you are looking for a super affordable and feature-packed smartwatch, the Amazfit Active 2 is an excellent choice that is readily available. However, if you are willing to wait for a more robust device with enhanced features and superior performance, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro might be worth waiting for. So, do you think waiting for the Fenix 8 Pro would be a good choice instead of getting the Amazfit Active 2 now? Share your opinions in the comments. Thanks for watching.